Hello, beautiful people, how are you today? In this video, you will learn how to resize an image within a minute in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop.
When you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your
Now, let's open an image.
as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.
You can download stock images for free, like this one.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
Just go to pexels.com on any of your browser and download images what you want.
To this place, you wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me
You can see the image size. It's a large image.
that you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Now select Crop Tool and click Presets from Upper Properties bar. Select W into H into Resolution and put value 0.8 by 1 and 300 resolution for stamp size photo. Now position it how you want.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that.
When you think it's perfect, just hit enter.
Strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Now see the image size. It's smaller.
Blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Now save the image. Give the file name Stamp Size Photo and file types JPEG and save it. Again, open main image.
Not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
Now select Crop Tool
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you
and put value 1.77 for width and 2.17 for height, 300 resolution for passport size photo.
felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay
Now position it how you want.
strong until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
When you think it's perfect, just hit enter.
Every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so
Now see the image size. It's a little bit bigger than stamp size photo.
out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into
Now save it with the name of passport size photo and file types JPEG.
the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told
Close this photo.
you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Again, open main image.
Said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch
And select crop tool.
you fade to gray as you fade away.
And put value 4 for width and 6 for height, 300 resolution for 4R size photo.
As you fade away.
Now position it how you want.
As you fade
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt,
When you think it's perfect, just hit enter.
but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless.
Now see the image size.
If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
And save it with the name of 4R size photo.
Smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Now close the image. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.
And you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.